My name is Alex. I work for the Foundation Botnar, a foundation based in Basel, Switzerland, and we work for and with young people to improve their well-being. I think one of the key challenges in terms of healthcare infrastructure in Africa is that we need more solutions that actually enable healthcare workers to work in an efficient manner, because often we overload them with a lot of tasks, a lot of challenges, and we rather look at patients and that patients got access to quality services, but we don't think of the workforce that basically has to deliver all of that. So we need more of integrated, easy solutions for healthcare workers that ease their life. I think they're playing an increasingly important role. They should play a even more important role, but I think it's coming because they are probably nearer to the ground, nearer to the challenges, for example, of healthcare workers, but also patients. They know the context they're working in, while other companies from the northern world often fail to understand what actually the demands and needs are. Well, I've been already a couple of times to the summit. I think the big change is that I see more faces from different parts of the world. I think it's less of a northern event, and it's therefore also more of a networking event. I think there are more formats that allow network interaction than before, where it was more of frontal presentations, which sometimes are not helpful basically to build new collaborations, new cooperations, to better align efforts. I think what has helped basically global health with the pandemic is to understand that we shouldn't work in isolation as the global health community, but actually that the things are so interlinked that we actually need to open up, work across sectors with communities who have probably nothing to do with health, but yet influence a lot the health and well-being of people. Despite of all the conflicts that are sometimes in the media around Africa, I've worked a lot in and with Africa and Africans, and I think we can learn how to better manage diversity and actually benefit from diversity between people. And I think a lot of African societies, they're actually more capable of doing that in terms of languages, in terms of bringing different groups together and building bridges. Well, I think it is that the overall global politics don't play in favor of global solutions or global cooperation, especially global solutions. We probably have them, but we need global cooperation, and the world is too much divided for the time being because of the things we know, ongoing wars and other frictions, and they impact a lot on basically global health and also the climate change question.